Yeah, after creating the smart campaign, we can now go and create ad groups. Unfortunately, with the smart campaign, you cannot create your own ad groups. You can create it only with the standard campaign, but we can, inside the ad group that we have here, we can add all the products that we want. So I clicked on ad group. Here in all products, I can specify my own products. I have here in Shopify, I specify the product type. So the feed brings all the specified product types here. So I select the product group and save. As you see here, it's like I created sub products or sub categories inside all products, because as I said before, in smart campaign we cannot create ad groups, but we have this solution here, and we can now can see directly which campaign, which product is bringing the clicks or sales. So you can now, as you see here, the max CPC is automatic. In smart campaign, you cannot change the bidding here. We are going to talk later about standard campaign and how we can create ad groups in standard campaign. But here you only have this option by adding the subcategory, sub products or subcategories inside all products here, and you can do whatever you want, and you can see all the conversion here and all the statistics. So that's it for this one.